So today in this lecture, I will be talking about two-person zero-sum game. The game that we are going to study in game theory is a two-person zero-sum game. There are only two persons playing the game. Mathematically, it is only possible to represent a game where there are only two persons. And the gain made by one player is the loss of the other player. So that is a zero-sum game. Zero-sum game means the gain of one player is equal to loss of other. So if one player is gaining rupees 10, so the other player is losing rupees 10. So the sum of the gain made by both is equal to 0. Therefore, zero-sum game. Okay. So there are strategies of player 1, strategies of player 2, and a payoff table. Min-max and max-min principle. The A player tries to select the maximum out of the minimum gains. He or she will first find out the minimum gains, and then he or she will select the maximum out of it. While the B player plays min-max strategy, where the player tries to minimize his or her maximum loss. So if max min and min max values are same, then the game has set to have a saddle point. Min max is equal to max min. Min max is equal to max min. Then the point at which both the things are equal is the saddle point. And if saddle point is reached, then the A player will select a particular strategy and B player will select a particular strategy, and we say that the equilibrium has reached. Now, see this payoff matrix. Here the A player has three alternatives, A1, A2, and A3. B player has four alternatives, B1, B2, B3, and B4. It is possible that the two players have different set of alternatives. Now, if A player chooses A1 and B player chooses B1, the payoff for A is 8. If A player chooses A1 and B player chooses B2, the payoff for A is 6. So in this table, all the payoffs are written from the point of view of player A. Now, we will select the row minimum. In first row, the minimum value is 2. In the second row, the minimum value is 4. In the third row, minimum value is 3. And out of the row minimum, the maximum value is 4. So the max min value is 4. So for player A, the option action A2 is the best one because it maximizes the minimum gain. Now we will see for player B. Player B will play the strategy min-max. So what he will do? He will select the maximum from each column. Here the maximum value is 8. Second column it is 9. In the third column it is 4. And in the fourth column it is 8. So, and out of these all maximum value, 4 is the minimum value. 4 is min-max value. Now we can see that min-max is equal to max-min. Therefore, 4 is the saddle point. And an equilibrium has been reached where player A2 will select, player A will select A2 and player B will select B3. So this is the saddle point. If max min is equal to min max, the game has set, the game is have a saddle point. So that is the solution of the game. Here we will see that how we will write the solution. Solution of the game for A player is option A2, and for B player it is option B3, and the value of the game is 4. Four is the saddle point. Now we will see another example. This is for player A, A1, A2, and A3. Player B has 3A, B1, B2, B3. Now here we will see, first we will see what is the minimum value of each row. In first row it is 2, and in second row it is -7. In third row it is -2. And out of these three, the maximum value is 2. Similarly, in columns, we will select the highest value. Here, the highest value is 3. In second column, the highest value is 6. And in third column, the highest value is 2. And out of all the highest value of the columns, the lowest value is 2. So the 2 is the saddle point. So if in a game saddle point exists, then that is the solution of the game. In this case, we will write that